If you want to change the wallpaper on POCO M8 Pro, first of all we need to go to Settings. Once you open Settings, we need to scroll down a little bit and then go to Personalization. Here we can scroll down in order to find a bunch of different wallpapers that we can use. We have the Editor's Pick, we can also go for the New category, and we also have some system wallpapers. You can actually tap on More in order to find a bunch of different examples, so you can choose whichever you like the most. And let's say I'm gonna choose this wallpaper over here. Now, in this case, we can zoom in and zoom out quite easily by using the pinching gesture. You can move left and right the wallpaper, if you can, of course. Left, right, up and down, of course. And for the lock screen, you can also toggle the depth effect, as long as the phone can detect an object that clearly covers the clock. You can also tap on the preview in order to switch to the home screen side. And in both cases, in the case of lock screen and home screen preview, you also have effects at the bottom. So you can, for example, apply a blur over here. And if you go to the home screen, here we have the blur and wallpaper scroll option. And then we can use the apply button in the upper right corner to set the wallpaper. And there we go. That's pretty much it. Now we can go to the home screen and we have a new wallpaper. Subscribe to my channel.